Hello. Right, what we've got here is a simplify fully an algebraic fractions. As soon as I look at this, I'm thinking factorising. So I'm going to look at each part individually. First of all, probably the most difficult bit is the 3x squared minus 8x take 3. The system that I use split in the middle term. I do 3 times -3, which is -9. So I'm looking for two factors of -9, i.e. two numbers that multiply together to make it. And then I'm also looking for the those two factors to add to make -8. So in this case, when I've got a -9, I know that one of them is going to be positive and one's going to be negative. And in fact, when I look at the -8, the biggest factor will actually be negative. So the only factors really of 9, other than 3 and 3, are 9 and 1. So I know that the biggest one will actually be the negative, so -9, and -9 plus 1 is -8. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the split in the middle term. So I've got 3x squared, take 9x, plus 1x, take 3, split the middle. Factors of 3x squared and -9x are 3x. That 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times -3 gives me -9x. That x minus 3 is the common bracket on the other side. What do I times x by to get 1x plus 1? So what I've got here is 3x plus 1. That's one of my brackets. And x minus 3, because it's in both sides, is the other. So what I've got at first is 3x plus 1 times by x minus 3 all over. Now what I've got to do is my 2x squared minus 6x. The nice thing about this is there's no constant on the end, so I can see straight away that 2x is a factor of both, leaving me with x minus 3. So on the bottom I've got 2x, x minus 3. Anytime I get a question like this, I'm expecting to see the same thing on top and bottom, and they can both divide each other out, and this leaves me with 3x plus 1 over 2x. Some people are uncomfortable getting rid of the brackets, so if you want to leave the brackets in, it's no big deal. You don't have to leave them in, but that is the answer. Thank you.